Last night, I tiptoed to the kitchen for a secret midnight snack, only to find my new smart fridge blinking. "State your password for entry," I whispered. "Please?" It replied, "Incorrect. Try again." Suddenly, it started playing gym motivation speeches at full volume. My dog woke up, my lights came on, and my neighbor texted, "Is your fridge yelling at you again?" Finally, the fridge unlocked with a smug beep, but as I reached for my cheesecake, it displayed, "Calories detected, door relocking in 3, 2, 1.